What is Marxism? Marxism is a social, political, and economic philosophy named after Karl Marx. It examines the effect of capitalism on labor productivity and economic development and argues for a worker revolution to overturn capitalism in favor of communism. Full video link is in description.